Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Kuya Rayban Vlog. Today we are going to flex this viral one, the Huntrix meal from McDo. So my daughter's gonna help me doing this because I don't know what we're gonna do.
Oh my gosh, there's so many fries.
Tapos meron silang mga pagpipilian na sauce kung gusto nyo. Ano tong sauce na to? Lemon?
The demon.
Demon sauce.
The lemon.
Lemon sauce.
Huntrix.
Hunter sauce.
Hunter sauce. I don't know kung ano yan. Ketchup and ranch lang. Ang laman nito, yun
No,
lang.
chicken
Yan ang,
Give this to her.
ito yung
Yeah.
pinagkakaguluhan nila. Isang ganto lang. My gosh. Look. See that?
We need to get the rare one.
Then, kailangan daw makuha yung rare one. Oh, yan lang ang laman, mga lods.
Which one do you want to shake
Ito,
first?
merong ganito sila na ilalagay mo daw dito yung french fries. Then,
Give me the seasoning.
ano mo ng etong seasoning na to. Ramyun. Yan, seasoning nakalagay.
Ready?
Yan, Netflix.
Okay.
So, ano?
You use half of this. So first you put the chicken nuggets in.
Chicken
Chicken nuggets daw,
Oh, no.
ito.
Yeah, you put it in there.
Lagay mo yan dyan. Yan. How many?
All of them. Unless you
gonna
want
send
some
it-
plain. Do you want some plain?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Try
Well,
the
four
plain
then.
one. Ito mo, may mga pirma-pirma pa yan, oh. Pirma-pirma ng mga Huntrix na
And
animal.
then you
Itatagi nyo yan?
Tapos,
Yes.
put it out. And then you
Yes.
pour half of it in, half of the seasoning in.
itong seasoning na to, na ramyun seasoning, lagay mo daw lahat.
How long
Ay,
did you
ano,
wait for
half.
that Huntrix?
Ayan, half.
Oh,
I don't know.
Lagay mo muna yung half.
we don't
Like
know.
30
So,
minutes?
yung
Or
iba dun sa
30, 10
fries.
minutes?
Then what?
And then shake. Yeah.
Shake, shake. Like that, like this, like that.
Ano kasamang ganyan yan?
Yeah, you're supposed to do it.
It's a shaking bag, but
Shake, shake,
And
shaky,
then
shaky,
you pour
shake.
shake, shake.
I wanna shake.
The body,
I wanna
the
shake.
body. Then, you try. Oh, you first. Eat.
And then you eat it.
Wow, ang alat! Ang alat pa rin.
Did you add too much?
No. Half, you said half. So, medyo maalat yung mga lord.
It's because you didn't add all of them.
Then, lagyan mo na yung fries dito.
Put it on the sauce.
Oh yeah, I forgot the sauce. Which one?
I forgot to say.
Demon sauce, Hunter sauce. Meron pang mga ibang sauce yan eh. So, ito lang yung napili ngayon. Wow, look. What's this? Purple? Ube? Ube?
This one's really good.
I wanna taste this.
Selena really likes this one.
What's this? Ube. Looks like ube to me. What do you guys think? Oops. Let's see.
Ah, wasabi.
Okay.
Ay, hindi. Yung ano, parang raw
What is that?
horseradish.
Oh, horseradish with something spicy.
Word
Okay.
wasabi. Parang ganun horseradish
What's that?
wasabi.
Hmm.
Okay.
Parang may wasabi.
Ano yan, demon? Oh, demon eh.
Ito yung demon. Tapos ito naman yung kulay gold na Hunter sauce. So,
Oh,
kulay, mukhang barbecue.
looks like barbecue.
Mukhang barbecue.
Looks like honey barbecue. It's gonna spill
Almost.
again.
That's mine.
It's gonna be
Okay.
spilled again.
Try natin.
Sweet
Ikaw,
and sour.
you want try? Sweet and sour? Sweet and sour lang.
Uh-huh.
So, ito, mga kulay-kulay lang mga iniba nila.
Horseradish nga yun.
Horseradish.
My finger.
It's spicy.
Both spicy. Doon ka sa kabila. Ikot ka. At,
Okay, the
ngayon yung fries
fries now.
naman. Ayan.
Four sprinkles.
Lagyan nyo.
Oh,
Tapos lagyan nyo na yung kalahati ulit.
Let's not add all of it since you. Oh wait, I already added all of it. Let's not
Kaya
add all of it.
matuto, kung ayaw nyo masyadong maalat, so konti lang yung steak. Para ano. So, siyempre, ganun din yung lasa niyan, maalat.
Right here.
Go. Fine.
Okay.
Right. So, card na
I wanna-
may rare card daw dito. Ano ba yung rare card?
It's a roomie.
Rumi?
Yeah, but it's a like Pacific roomie card.
So, you guys open it. Yeah. You guys gonna open it.
Since I bought it, I'm gonna open it.
You open
Don't
it.
show my face. You can show Maya's face.
Okay.
Wait, I'm scared. It's like opening a what's it called?
Blind box. Guys.
No, not a blind box. Pokemon.
Pokemon
Okay.
Okay, what
card.
do you guys think it is?
I don't know.
So na,
Wait, wait, wait.
taban.
3.
What is it? What do you guys think it is? Then?
Yeah. Yeah.
Snowy
No,
card.
Daddy.
Oh, ito yung likod. Ito ba yung likod?
Yeah.
Now, here's the back, the card. Yan. Then, you guys ready?
Yes. Always.
Oh, how many? 2. You got 2. You got 2. Okay. First is... Taran!
It's
Oh
Derpy.
my God,
it's
it's
Derpy.
dirty.
Yes.
That's cute.
Oh, that's Derpy.
That's
Hello,
actually so cute.
friend.
That's what it
Oh,
says.
that's cute.
And the next one is...
Do that.
Here.
I want that.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my
Oh! Who's this?
That's the rare card. That's the rare card.
It's a rare one.
Rare card. Oh my God! Wait, now I gotta call them. Oh my God, we got the rare card
Yeah.
first try. This is like our first.
Lucky one.
Oh my God! Wait.
Is this the viral one?
Yes, that's the rare card.
Should we eat it?
Wait.
No.
No, don't eat it. Wait.
Don't eat it.
They got the
Yeah, I
rare
need-
one.
Let me take a picture.
Who's this?
Rumi.
Rumi.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
have one when they're home.
Rumi daw. So, they got
No
the
freaking way.
rare one.
First try too.
Wait, I gotta picture that. Can I?
First try
Alright,
too. I need
guys,
to show
that's
my
it.
YouTubers
Ito yung
this.
mga
I
nakuha
gotta
nila.
picture it. No
Oh,
way.
yeah.
I gotta show my
So,
subscribers.
see you next time, mga Lodi. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. They got the
Selling
rare one.
$100 and reselling no
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Bye.
told you.
Can I subscribe my video?
Bye.